In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove background faster. To only 3 steps, follow with me. Step 1. Unlock the background layer. To unlock the background layer, simply click on the lock icon. Photoshop renames the layer from background to layer 0, which means it's now a standard layer. Step 2. Go to Properties panel. If you don't find Properties panel, go up to Window and then click Properties. Now Properties panel show up. You can see quick option. Click on the arrows. In the Properties panel, a Remove Background button and a Select Subject button appear. Step 3. Applying the Remove Background command. Using Remove Background command, simply click the Remove Background button in the Properties panel. Photoshop analyzes the image, looking for the main subject, and after a few moments we see the result. Here is the result with Remove Background. To like this video, don't forget to subscribe and get update. Click on the bell icon button. Thanks for watching video.